Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Okay, the 2017 question was another cubic equation which you had to solve. The function f is such that f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3, where they're real numbers. Show that x equal to minus 3 is a root of f of x and find the other two roots. Okay, this is lovely when they give you this because they don't always give you one of the roots. Sometimes they may just say solve it, or they might say, find its roots. And if they don't tell you, you have to guess. You do it by trial and error, but you'll always one of your solutions will be a factor of the end number. Okay, so x is equal to minus 3. So I first of all have to show that that is a root. So I'm going to sub it in. So I'll have 2 times minus 3 cubed plus 5 times minus 3 minus 4 times minus 3 minus 3. Okay, and if you put all of that into a calculator with the brackets and all, you need the brackets to make sure that your signs go well. Plus 5 times minus 3 minus 4 times minus 3 minus 3. I forgot the squared, didn't I? That's why I didn't get a right answer. Let me just square that one. I do indeed get 0. So I think it was minus 60 before that. So I knew I was wrong. And I knew I was wrong because it said show that. So when it's telling you to show, then it's telling you that it is. Okay, so if it's a root, it solves it, or in other words, it's equal to 0. Okay, so therefore x is equal to minus 3 is a root, and x plus 3 is therefore a factor. Okay, why is that important? Well, it's the factor that you long divide into your equation. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 3. And when you divide in this term here, you'll get a quadratic up the top that contains your other two factors. Okay, let's long divide it in. So I'm asking myself, what do I need to multiply by x to bring it up to 2x cubed? So I definitely need a 2. I have one of the x's out there, so I need 2 more x's. And you multiply that by both terms on the outside. So 2x squared by x is 2x cubed. 2x squared by the 3 is plus 6x squared. Put a line under it. Change the sign. Change the sign because you're subtracting to get the remainder. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed then cancels. And you know you're right when this happens. This is what you're hoping will happen. So plus 5 then minus 6 is minus 1x squared. Take down the minus 4x and the minus 3 because we haven't used them yet. And repeat the process. Okay, so what must I multiply by x to bring it up to minus 1x squared? Well, I definitely need a minus sign and I need another x. Okay, you can put the 1 up there if you want. And then you multiply that. You multiply that minus x by everything on the outside again. So minus x by x is minus x squared. Minus x by plus 3 is minus 3x. Okay, put a line under it, subtract them to get the remainder. So the net effect of that is you change the sign because minus minus is a plus, minus minus is a plus. And you'll find that the x squared terms should cancel here if you're right, and they do. So minus 4x plus 3x is minus 1x, and take down the -3 as before because we haven't used it. And we repeat the process again. What do I multiply by x to bring it up to -1x squared? Well, I definitely need the minus and I need the 1. Okay, don't forget the -1 up here because you need something to multiply by x and 3 to put the answer here and get your remainder. And then multiply it. So -1 by x is -1x, -1 by 3 is -3. Change the sign, and of course all cancels to give you 0, which is what you'd expect, okay, in this type of an equation. Why do I expect 0? Because they told me -3 was a root because it satisfied the equation. Therefore, when you divide it in, you have to get a remainder of 0. Okay, so the other two factors are contained within 2x squared minus x minus 1. Okay. If you can't see the factors, you can of course use the -b formula, nothing wrong with that, because they asked you for the roots, and roots are x equals, okay? They're not the factors. So let's solve this one. It's not too bad because it's all prime numbers. So 2x and x are the factors of 2x squared. And then of course the only factors of 1 are 1 and 1. Okay, I need an overall -1 there in the center. So I need this 2x to be the -1 and a plus, okay? And I needed a plus and a minus because plus by minus gives me that minus. Okay, so let's solve these then. 2x, let the first bracket equal 0. 2x is equal to -1. Divide across by 2. X is equal to -1/2. And your other root is in the other bracket. X is equal to 1. Okay, so your solutions. X is equal to -3, x is equal to -1/2, x is equal to 1. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.